Learn how to easily enable or disable the Automatically Hide Taskbar feature in Windows 11. At first, open the Settings window. Then, click on the Personalization on the left pane. Next, tap on the taskbar on the right-hand side. Now, tap on the taskbar alignment to expand it. Next, check the box Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Close the Settings window. Now, the taskbar will disappear from the desktop. At first, open the Settings. Then, on the left pane, click on the Personalization settings. Next, click on the taskbar on the right-hand side. After that, tap on the taskbar alignment to expand it. Now, just uncheck the box Automatically Hide the Taskbar in the settings. Finally, close the settings screen and you will be done. The taskbar won't be automatically hidden. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.